In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a paper mache mask. So here's some examples of painted paper mache masks. So you can paint it however you would like. So to begin with, we're going to need this paper mache mask form, tape, and a Sharpie. Then we'll need our paper mache paste, paper, so paper strips, so to begin with, we are going to write our name on this paper mache mask form. That way we know it's yours, and then whenever it's going to dry, we know it's yours and can give it back to you. So grab a piece of tape, then just write your name on the piece of tape, and I would write your class, whatever class you're in. Then you're going to take this tape and put it on the inside of the mask. So stick it on the inside. Then we're ready to start paper mache. So to paper mache, we need that paste and paper strips. So I'm going to start by tearing the paper strips. And when we put this on to the mask, we want to put it where it's the white side up if possible. That way it'll be easier to paint if it's all white. So we're going to dip our paper strip into the paste, and then we're going to use our finger like a little crab claw and pinch away the extra. So your strip should be wet, but it should not have globs of that paste. Then when we put it on the mask, you need to smooth it out so there's no bumps. So you'll dip it in, get the extra off. So both sides need to be wet, but it does not need to be globs. Then put on the mask and smooth. So smoothing is very important. So you can overlap these pieces, and then you'll need around 3 to 5 layers of paper. So this will take you a while. So your strips need to go all the way to the side of the face, like where the ears would be. The whole thing needs to be covered. So you'll continue adding strips of paper till you have 3 to 5 layers of paper. Try and do the white on the top. If you have paper that are just plain white, do it on the top. And make sure when you're by the nose to really smooth it out, and I would suggest using smaller pieces of paper. So the nose is going to be kind of hard. So take your time smoothing it out so it still looks like a nose once you're finished. And smaller pieces of paper kind of help with that. So here's a sped up version of me adding my layers of paper. So remember, 3 to 5 layers of paper. If you don't have enough layers, your mask will break, and then you'll have to start all the way over. So if you're done for the day, because it's time to clean up, or if you're all the way done, you need to smooth out your mask before putting it to dry. So rub your fingers all the way over it, that way it's nice and smooth. And this will be very important to have it actually look like a face still. So smooth out your mask by rubbing your fingers over it. Then you can let it go dry. So to clean up, you're just gonna squirt and then wipe with your rag. And then put away all your other materials. Once it's all the way dry, we can take it off this plastic form by just peeling it away. Then you can cut away any of the excess. And we can take our name off and put it in now our paper mache mask. And you can cut away any of these excess. And then you are ready to paint the paper. So that plastic mask form stays here, and then you paint the paper.